Let us start with the next question, question number 8. I am marking the question. Let us read it. A body of weight 100 Newton is suspended by two strings of 4 meter and 3 meter lengths attached at same horizontal level 5 meter apart. Full stop. Find the tensions in the string. Here the question is given. They had given us some hint, but the diagram has not been provided. So first we are going to draw the diagram for this question. A body of weight 100 Newton is suspended by two strings of 4 meter and 3 meter lengths attached at same horizontal level 5 meter apart. So first I will draw the horizontal level. I have attached two strings as given in the question. Body of weight 100 Newton is suspended by two strings of 4 meter and 3 meter lengths. So here I'll say this is string 4 meter. Here the string is 3 meter. They are connected to same horizontal level of 5 meter. And then weight is suspended. The value of weight is 100 Newton. It is suspended. Find the tensions in the string. So in this case, I have to calculate the tension in the strings. I'll mark it as A, B and C. In other words, when I'm fixing it at 5 meter horizontal surface, this horizontal surface is the ceiling. Over this ceiling of 5 meter, one string AB is of 4 meter, other string BC is of 3 meter. Both are attached, and at this attachment at point B, load of 100 Newton is acting in the downward direction. So only this much is the question, where I have to calculate TAB, tension in string AB, and TBC, tension in string BC. If we look at this question, here angles are not given to us. That is, what is the inclination of string AB with horizontal, not given. Inclination of BC with horizontal, that is also not given. So first we will try to get the inclination, that is the different values of inclination for both the strings. I will write down solution. Inclination of AB with respect to horizontal, I'll call this as theta 1. Inclination of BC with respect to horizontal, I'll call this as theta 2. So from the geometry of this figure, I will try to get theta 1 and theta 2. This angle will be 90 degree. I will say that from the geometry of figure, sine of theta 1, I will write down sine theta 1 is opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite side is 3, hypotenuse is 5. So 3 by 5. Hence theta 1 is equal to sine inverse of 3 by 5. Therefore, my answer of theta 1 comes out to be 36.87 degree. This 36.87 degrees with respect to horizontal, so I can mark it here. If theta 1 is here with the horizontal, so even this angle is theta 1 and the answer is 36.87 degree. Now comes the turn for theta 2. I will say that similarly, sine of theta 2 will be equal to 4 upon 5. Therefore, theta 2 is equal to sine inverse of 4 by 5. Hence, my answer of theta 2 will be, it comes out to be 53.13 degree. So here I can mark theta 2 also. This is 53.13 degree. So theta 1, theta 2 both have been calculated. After getting theta 1 and theta 2, now I can easily draw the FBD for the given figure. I have calculated two angles here, one of AB, other of BC. Here AB, the angle is 36.87 degree. This angle with BC is 53.13 degree. Here I have, okay, you can take the difference out of them, and this angle would be 90. This is 90. So next I have here as A, this is C, this center point is B, and the load which is acting is 100 Newton. This angle is 90, even here it is 90. Here I have TAB, and here I have TBC. So this much is the free body diagram for the given problem. Now, since we have three concurrent forces and their angles, I can apply Lami's theorem. So by Lami's theorem, I can say that TAB upon sine of angle between TBC and W, so it is 90 plus 53.13, that will give me 143.13 degree. If I write TBC and take angle between TAB and 90, that will be 90 plus 36, that gives me 126.87 degree. W divided by angle between TAB and TBC, that is 90, so sine 90. Here also I should write it as sine 126.87 degree. So next I will calculate TAB and TBC one by one. Therefore TAB will be equal to W upon sine 90. W is 100, so 100 divided by sine 90 into sine 143.13 degree, and therefore TAB, my answer will be, in this question it comes out to be, it is 60 Newton, 60 Newton. That's my first answer. And similarly I can say that TBC will be equal to W upon sine 90. W is 100 divided by sine 90 multiplied by sine 126.87 degree. So therefore if I calculate all terms here, I will get my answer of TBC as 80 Newton. That's my second answer. And if I look at the question, there were two things asked: to calculate tension in AB, tension in BC. Tension in AB is 60 Newton, tension in BC is 80 Newton, and with this we complete the problem.